this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to log Microsoft OneDrive account with password. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your OneDrive account. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then look for app lock. Set up a pin to protect this app. Click on that. Then right here, enter the pin that you can easily remember each time you want to access the app. Then confirm the pin. Then enter your enable biometric for OneDrive. It's as simple as that. So you can see use biometric has been enabled. So basically, this is how to simply lock your Microsoft OneDrive account with password or biometric without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.